Hi, I'm Julie with San Diego Voice and Accent, and in this video, you'll learn 4 ways to use the glottal stop in American English. Glottal stop, glottal T, stop T. All these terms refer to the same sound. It's this sound here. But not the voiced part, it's the part between the voiced parts. Uh. My vocal cords came together to stop the airflow, and the voicing stopped too. That is a glottal stop. Glottal meaning vocal cords, and stop meaning a stop of airflow. And in American English, glottal stops are very common and can be used in all areas of speech.
Creating a document is also new in Android KitKat, and
Now, you might think, well, it's a tiny little button. It probably is pretty easy.
I'm old enough to remember Batman in first cereal.
The first place you might use a glottal stop is at the beginning of a word that begins with a vowel. Say the word oven. Oven. Now say it slowly and exaggerate the first sound, Oven. Oven. You should feel that at the beginning of the vowel, your vocal cords were probably closed. Oven. That's a glottal stop, and native speakers may use it at the beginning of words that begin with a vowel. Either when the word is said by itself, like oven, or in a sentence, like turn on the oven. I used a quick glottal stop between the and oven. Turn on the oven. A second time you might use a glottal stop is in the place of a T sound in certain words. And when this happens, I usually call it the stop T. Let's take the word button, for example. Look at the IPA transcriptions that I have for this word. The first transcription uses a stop T and a syllabic N in the final syllable. Button. The second transcription uses a true T, the schwa vowel, and then a normal N consonant in the last syllable. Button. Which one sounds more natural? Button. Button. Native speakers will almost always pronounce this word using a stop T in the place of the T sound, and then omit the vowel and transition from the glottal stop to a syllabic N consonant. Button. This process can occur in words that have a T before an N consonant in the final syllable, and the final syllable is unstressed, like in the words cotton, eaten, and forgotten. A third time you might use a glottal stop is in the place of a T sound in contractions that contain the N''T combination. And when this happens, I usually call it a stop T. Here are some examples. Can't, won't, and don't. You maybe learned to pronounce these words using a true released T sound. Can't, won't, don't. But native speakers will often use a stop T instead. This can occur in all contractions that use an N''T combination. Here's what these words sound like with a true T and then a stop T. Can't, can't. Won't, won't. Don't, don't. And a fourth time you might use a glottal stop is when you are linking two words or syllables together. And the first word or syllable ends with a T sound, and the next word or syllable begins with a consonant. Native speakers may use a glottal stop for the T sound, and when this happens, I usually call it a stop T. Here are some examples. Let me, that way, and outside. Let's practice the glottal stop in words and sentences. I'll read each word 3 times, and then you'll have a chance to repeat. And then I'll read each sentence once, and you'll have a chance to repeat. Easy, easy. easy, interesting, 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 about, 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 mountain, 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 kitten, 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 certain, 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 haven't, haven't, haven't. I haven't had my coffee yet. Couldn't, couldn't, couldn't. I couldn't go yesterday. Wasn't, wasn't, wasn't. That wasn't my fault. Sit down, sit down, sit down. You need to sit down, please. Eat fast, eat fast, eat fast. You have 5 minutes, so eat fast. Hot dog, hot dog, hot dog. I don't like hot dogs. I hope this video helped you to learn when to use the glottal stop in American English. Thanks for watching, and let me know how I can help you perfect your American accent.